This video will demonstrate how to use the heavy-duty steam cleaner as an effective method for the killing and treatment of bed bugs, as well as dust mites and other allergens. When treating the mattress, use the bedbug fabric tool with the cotton cover in place. Start on one end of the mattress and slowly work your way across, allowing the steam to penetrate thoroughly. Bed bugs and their eggs die at 180 degrees, so it's important to move slowly, making sure to heat the area to the full 260 to 285 degree temperature. As well as treating the surfaces of the mattress, you will also need to treat the welting, corners, seams, and sides of the mattress. Again, slowly work your way around, making sure to cover all these areas. Use the same attachment for treating the box spring in the same manner as the mattress was treated, making sure to cover the sides and corners. Next, treat the pillows and again slowly pass the tool along the surface, allowing the steam to penetrate. This can also be done on sofa cushions and furniture, not only to kill bed bugs, but used on a regular basis to kill dust mites and allergens. Use the detail tip to get into the small cracks and crevices along the bed frame and the area around the feet of the bed. Baseboards can be treated using the jet tip or the bedbug fabric tool with the cotton cover in place. Again, make sure the tool is in direct contact with the area and move the tool slowly to allow the steam to penetrate the area. Use these same methods for treating chairs, sofas, luggage, or anywhere bed bugs can hide.
For more information, go to queenofclean.com. Thanks for talking dirty with the Queen of Clean.